Hey folks, welcome back. Omar Jordan, RIT Safety, Ryan Emmerich, Wind Access. We're going to review the installation of the rescue system onto a Class 3 harness. With the logo facing down, you're going to release the Velcro from the 2-inch webbing. You're going to run it through the lower end of the dorsal attachment. Once the webbing is secured, the rescue system now will be placed with the patch face up. The lower end of the rescue system pouch has two 1-inch nylon straps. These can be attached either around the waist assembly or through a loop. Then secured back to the pack. This will prevent the pack from swaying. On the top of the rescue pack, there are two 1-inch nylon straps. These will be attached to a Velcro tether that goes onto the shoulder strap. This allows the pack to be cinched up like a backpack. Once the pack is cinched up onto the harness, there will be no sway or movement of the pack while you're climbing or working. Ryan will now demonstrate the proper deployment of the system. Ryan will pull the loop on the strap, which opens access to the descending device and the attachment carabiner. He will take the descending device carabiner, which is on the lanyard, and he will attach that to his front attachment point. The other carabiner goes to your anchor. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call or an email.